Good morning students, myself Tandel Alpa. Today I am going to take a chapter How does the computer work part 2. I have already explained about this chapter and we have discussed in previous video input, process and output with different examples. Let us take some more example and try to understand how does a computer work. Have a look. In this picture there are three different examples. From them we can understood about the working cycle of a computer. See, a computer cannot work. We need to enter letters, numbers and instructions. Means we have to input data and instructions. Okay. Now first activity. See, there are the three activities of computer: input, process and output. And the devices from which we are giving input, that is called input devices. Okay. Now look. First picture shows the input devices, keyboard and a mouse. So the data and instructions that we enter into the computer are called input. Now working on a data, CPU क्या करेगा? Working on a data, that is process, and the activity called is processing. And output, from where we get the output? Printer or a monitor. Next example, one problem is there, 2 plus 3. So 2 and 3 are the data, and which is the instruction in this example? Addition, means plus. Plus is the instructions what we are going to give in a computer. What will happen in process? Addition of two digits, and as being output, what we get? 5. It will be on monitor or a printer. Now let us take an example of our body. When a teacher asks one questions, from where you hear and see? You hear with your ears and see with your eyes, right? So ears and eyes are the input unit. ठीक है? Now afterwards what will you do? You thinking on that questions, right? So then it thinks of an answer. What will happen? Our brain will think. So in this, the brain works like a processing unit. Okay. Now how you give the answer? Maybe with written or maybe speak. So these are a output unit, right? Now next look, input. Okay with you. Into the computer are called input. As I explained an example of 2 plus 3. So in that example 2 and 3 are the data and the addition is the instructions. So that we are going to enter, and that is input. Now what will happen? Now ये डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन हम कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट से डालेंगे? कीबोर्ड एंड माउस, राइट? तो these are our input devices, means we enter our data through input devices. Now look at the children. What ये क्या कर रहा है बच्चा? बेचारा सोच रहा है ना, थिंकिंग कर रहा है. तो हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में सोचने का काम किसका है? हाँ, the CPU. The CPU works on data and does all the thinking and calculation, right? Working on data is called प्रोसेसिंग मीन डेटा पे काम जो होता है उनको क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोसेसिंग. And CPU works on data and does all the thinking and calculation. मीन्स सोचने का और कैलकुलेशन का काम कौन करता है, CPU. Now the time of output. After see input हो गया, process भी हो गया. Now the time of output. Output means what? फाइनल रिजल्ट. हमको फाइनल रिजल्ट कहाँ से मिलता है, when the CPU finishes processing the data and output is displayed on a monitor. And from printer also we can get the output. So monitor and printer are the most common output devices. So there are so many other output devices also, but the most common devices are monitor and printer. Look, here the examples of monitor. One is LCD monitor and one is CRT monitor. Now here the examples types of printers. First one is dot matrix printers. Next one is inkjet printer. Afterward is laser printer and all in one. All in one means ऑल इन वन हम क्या क्या प्रिंट आउट निकाल सकते हैं, स्कैनिंग कर सकते हैं, जेरोक्स कर सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड ऑल इन वन. हैव अ लुक. आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन दिस एग्जांपल. रिमेंबर व्हाट ही डूइंग, अ चाइल्ड. व्हाट क्या कर रहा है, अ चाइल्ड प्ले विथ अ क्ले. तो ये क्या है, पहले तो इनपुट में क्या आएगा, क्ले. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, प्रोसेस में क्या होगा, चाइल्ड प्लेइंग विथ क्ले मीन्स वो कुछ बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, एंड दैट इज प्रोसेस. नाउ एज बीइंग अ रिजल्ट व्हाट ही मेड, टॉयज मेड विथ अ क्ले. सो 3 टॉयज आर देयर जो बॉय ने बनाए हैं. तो दीज आर द आउटपुट. नाउ इट्स ऑलरेडी दिस एग्जाम्पल ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन what happened in first picture. See dirty clothes, so it is the input, and washing clothes is a process, and as being a result we get the clean cloth. Now let us take one more example. Input, process, output. Now I know now you understand perfectly what is the input, what is the process, and what is the output. Now look, enter the data and commands. अभी यहाँ पे कौन सा एग्जाम्पल दिया है, 2 + 3. अभी सी एज बिग इनपुट वी हैव टू गिव डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शंस बोथ. तो विच इज द डेटा, 2 and 3 आर द डेटा, राइट. और उस पर क्या करने को बोला गया है कंप्यूटर को, एडिशन. तो एडिशन इज द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. तो अंडर CPU व्हाट विल हैपन, इट प्रोसेसेस द डेटा मीन्स वो क्या करेगा, डेटा पे कैलकुलेशन करेगा. वॉट एवर द इंस्ट्रक्शंस गिवन बाय द अस. हमने क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया है, एडिशन. नाउ आफ्टर एडिशन वी गेट द आउटपुट 5 मीन्स सो द रिजल्ट इज अवर आउटपुट. दिस इज द इनपुट, प्रोसेस एंड आउटपुट, एंड दिस होल साइकिल इज कॉल्ड इन वर्किंग साइकिल ऑफ अ computer. See, after hours, these many example we learned. Now, what is input? Enter data and commands into a computer via one or more input devices. See, we already learned so many examples. At last, what we get कि हमको data and commands देना है कंप्यूटर को. कहाँ से, one or more input devices हम data दे सकते हैं. Now, process. The CPU works on data according to the commands provided in the input stage. Means already we given at input stage what the CPU will do, and afterwards CPU works on, that is process. Now in output, the computer shows the processed result on the output devices. Means whatever the output will be ready, we can see on a monitor and printer. So input process output cycle in a computer process. Stay safe children. Goodbye.